On this video, I will show you how to wire your headlights. This is what it comes on the package. You will find wire harness, a relay, you find zip ties, brackets for the ballast. We get 2 ballast and a tool. So you will see how it will be wire your headlight. So as you see in here, this is your headlight. Let me turn it over. Okay, you see those wires? Open the bag. This is a relay. This is a positive. See, it has a wire in here. It says positive. This will be connected to your battery. Those wires, one is for the low beam, one is for high beam. So it has a label there. See it? Low beam. And then it has high beam. So this will be connected to your stock factory plugs coming from the headlight. This will replace this harness from your headlight. You plug it into your factory harness. This will be connected to your ballast. Make sure to plug it in properly. Go in. See how it snaps. This wire, it goes straight to ground. Those 2 plugs will be plugged in the back of your headlight. See it? One is male, another one is female. Same way, process from the other side. See the harness plugs into the ballast. Make sure it's plugged in properly, way in. And then you see from the back of the headlight, you see another plug be plugged in. See it? Well, this is another harness here. The same harness, but there's more plugs here to plug in. Make sure to plug it in straight. It has a lock. Has a little tap on the top of it. See it? Plugs in the back here. There. Like I said, this one's plugged in to your factory harness, where there are your plugs coming from the headlights. Well, you gotta plug in. This will replace your factory plugs from the headlights. Plugs in not to your stock harness now. And here, this yellow wire, this is a turn signals. See it? So one will be left side, and another one is right side. So you plug it into your turn signals. So this is ground, and power. And then you have a switch to turn on and turn off your dimming eyes. So I will show you in the next video how the function will be turning on.